Hello YouTube. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. It's a beautiful morning, the sun is shining, the birds are singing, and I'm here with a smart home product review. Now what I have for you guys today is a review of these two products by a brand called Gosund. I've never actually heard of this brand before. They reached out to me and sent me these two products for free so I could do a review of them. Right here in the smaller box, I have a smart plug. It should come with two smart plugs. And then in this other box, I have a smart power strip. Now, I've never heard of this brand before, but I went ahead and looked them up on Amazon, and it turns out they're a super popular brand. So I'm pretty excited to try these out. I am a big fan of like smart home technology. As you might know, I have my smart LED lights around my room. We have the Nest thermostat, we have the Roomba, and now I guess we have these. So just really quick guys, the Smart Plug 2-pack goes for $16.99, and then the Gosund Smart Power Strip, which is this one, goes for $19.99. It looks like it has 3 regular power outlets on it, and then it has 3 USB 3 charging ports as well. So that's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and put the Amazon links for these two products down in the description below in case you want to check those out for yourself. And let's go ahead and start off with an unboxing. Alright guys, so this is what we got inside the boxes. Pretty simple, just the products and then the instructions. And I went ahead and opened the instructions right here for the power strip, and there are the parameters right there in case you want to check that out. And then it tells you about downloading the Gosund app. And it said right here that the app is compatible with mobile devices that support iOS 8.0 and above and Android 4.4 and above. So as long as you have those, you should be good. And this is how you download the app. So you just go ahead and open your camera on your phone, grab that QR code right there. It'll open up this link. And there you go. You can download the app right here. I already have the app, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. So once you download the app, it looks like you need to set up an account, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. It was super easy to log in. All I had to do was enter my email address, then it sent a verification code to my email, then I had to enter that code and then set up a password, and that was it. And then it brought me to this page right here, and then it looks like we can already start adding devices. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug this in right now. I have a couple like lamps on my desk. I guess you could call them like mood lighting. I have this like lava lamp right here. I have this blue light down there. And then I have this like pink light back here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug all of those into this smart power strip so that I can control those lights with my smartphone. So I'm going to go ahead and plug all that in really quick, and then I'll come back after I plug everything in, and then we'll figure out how to connect the strip to the app. So as you can see, after I plugged in the lights, they all turned on. So yeah, let's go ahead and go back to the app and see what we got to do next. So I guess we just click up here to add a device. Oh, okay, got it. Add device. Okay, well the instructions say to select power strip. So I guess this one. The mobile phone is not connected to Wi-Fi. Go to connect. Okay, there we go. Oh, I gotta enter my password. Okay, 1 second, guys. Alright, what's it telling me to do now? So if the indicator light is blinking fast, please skip the reset steps. Okay, let's go check if it's blinking fast. Looks like it's blinking fast to me, so let's go ahead and skip those steps. I think my polarization lens on my camera is making it look like rainbowy, but confirm indicator rapidly blink. Okay, next. would like to find and connect to devices on your local network. This app will be able to discover and connect devices on the networks you use. Okay. I think it's going to connect to the power strip right now. Awesome, check that out, guys. It says, what does it say? Device added successfully. Awesome, done. Ooh, cool, all right. All right, let me give you guys a better look at this. Whoa, nice, check this out, guys. So just really quick, this lamp is not connected to the power strip. That's just plugged into a regular outlet. So it's just the lava lamp, that blue light down there, and then this pink flamingo light back there. So check it out. If I hit the power button right here, yeah, I could turn them on and turn them off. I could control them with this power button right here. Pretty cool. And then it looks like, oh, I could control them individually as well. So right there we got the blue one. Oh, that must be for the pink light. And then this third one must be for the lava lamp. That is awesome. So I could go ahead, wait, let me go and make sure which one this is. So this is the blue light, so I can go ahead in here and I'll just type in blue light. All right, cool. And then it says blue light right there, so I know which one it is. So that's super cool. I wasn't sure if you could do that, but it looks like you can control each outlet individually and you can control them all at once with the master power switch at the top. That is super cool. One thing that I am noticing is that the power strip, it does kind of make a noise when it toggles between on and off. Check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could pick up that audio for you guys. And we can't forget about the USB ports. So now I have my iPhone charging. Yeah, you see the little charge symbol up there. Let's go ahead and turn this off. The charge symbol went away, and let's go ahead and turn that back on.
Yes, give me the starting juice.
I have that automation thing, so my phone talks when it's being charged, but yeah, it came back on, so cool. And then I just want to mention really quick, the power strip does have a power button on it, and I'm pretty sure that's just like in case your Wi-Fi goes down and you can't use the phone app, so yeah, so it turns off everything and everything's back on. All right, guys, so that worked out pretty cool. I give the Smart Power Strip 2 thumbs up. I thought it was really easy to set up. I liked how you could control the different outlets separately and you can name them and everything. I think the app is really, what's the word for it? Intuitive. The app's really intuitive. It took me like a minute to set up. I just kind of wish that when you turned the outlets on and off, I wish it didn't make that clicking noise. That clicking noise was a little weird, but not a big deal, honestly. Let's go ahead and set up one of these smart plugs. I don't know what I'm going to do with the other one, but one of them I'm just going to have connected to my desk lamp. So let's go ahead and set that up right now. Unfortunately, I have a feeling this desk lamp won't actually work because the way you turn it on is really weird. It's not like a regular switch. It's like, I'll show you guys. But I'm connecting it right now. I kind of have a feeling it might not work. We'll see. Okay, so the device was added. Socket is off. Oh, it worked. Nice. I kind of had a feeling it wasn't going to work, but I guess it'll work. So this one's interesting. So unlike the power strip, this one is just a very simple socket. It only has one control, and that is on and off. So off, on, perfect. As for this one right here, I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to put that yet. So I'm just going to leave that aside for now. And I guess I should just show this really quick as well. You could also set a timer. So, you know, you set the timer for when you want it to turn off. So you can set it to turn off in like an hour or whatever. We go back, schedule. You know, you could set a schedule for like, yeah, pretty much like an alarm pretty much. You could set when you want it to turn on and off or whatever. All right, guys, so these smart plugs, super simple to set up. I love these. They also have a power button on the side of the plug so you can turn it off and on even if your Wi-Fi goes down. So the smart power strip and the smart plugs, I give them both 2 thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. But the setup was super simple. The app is very intuitive and easy to use. So my recommendation is that, say if you have a setup kind of like mine where you have several lights, kind of like how I have my mood lighting around here. If you have several lights or devices close together, then I think that you'd be better off going with the Smart Power Strip. But say if you have devices or lights or things that you want to control in different rooms, or things that just aren't so close together, then you would be better off going with the Smart Plug. I also noticed that on Amazon they actually sell these in a 4-pack as well for $30. The 2-pack like I have is $16.99. So pretty good in my opinion. They're pretty inexpensive. And some of my stuff here, like, you know, before I used to have to reach under my desk to turn on these lights. I used to have to reach over, turn on this lamp. It was kind of a tricky lamp. The switch where you have to turn on my desk lamp, it's finicky. So sometimes I would have to turn it a few times before the lamp would actually turn on. Now all I have to do is click a button on my phone, and I think that it's going to be a life changer, as funny as that might sound. But anyways guys, I would love to know what you guys think about these. Let me know down in the comments below. Are there any other smart home products that you would like to see me test out? And if you guys did like this video, or if this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notifications button. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.